Hi friends, today we learn arithmetic operator in select query. In this tutorial, you learn how to perform arithmetic operation during select query. Okay, now here we have employee table. Now suppose you want to calculate annual salary from this table. Here you can see that cell column has a salary of per month salary, and you want to display employee number, name, salary and annual salary also for all employee. So you have to perform some arithmetic operation in query. So how it perform, go through this example. Select empno comma ename comma cell comma cell into 12 from emp. After execution of this query, here you can see that the month salary is multiplied by 12 and this is the annual salary. Here column heading is display with its expression, means calculation expression, but we can change using alias. We have learned alias in my previous video. If you had not don't know about the alias, column alias, just view that my previous video. In previous video I have explained very well with this column alias. Now I want to set a annual cell as a column with this new calculated column using column alias. How can I write query? Select empno ename comma cell into 12 as annual cell from emp. Now it's correct, it's perfect. Select emp number, name, salary, actual salary, and this is the 12 month of salary using multiplication in my select query, and the column name is annual cell using column alias. Here you can see that. Okay, now suppose I want to check or I want to display annual 10% increment which new salary. I want to give all employee with 10% increment of salary. What should I provide the calculation in my SQL? Just look at here. Select empno ename comma cell. This is the actual cell column. Now I want to set 10% increment. It means that actual cell plus cell into 0.10%. This is the actual expression. Here in bracket I have provided cell into 0.10 means is a 10% of my salary, plus into cell yani actual cell plus 10% increment yani new salary is, okay, I give new cell from emp. Now look at here, 800 and new salary is 880. It's 10% increment with this is the new salary. This type of calculation you can provide arithmetic, plus, minus, multiplicate and divide. You can provide these 4 arithmetic operation in select query and you get the result on execution time. If I want to decrease this 10% increment or 10% decrement of salary, then I have to select select empno ename cell minus cell into 0.10 as new cell from EMP. ये हुआ 10% डिक्रीमेंट के साथ सैलरी. दिस इज द न्यू सैलरी एज 10% डिक्रीमेंट ऑफ एक्चुअल सैलरी. Now I want to calculate the annual salary with 10% increment. What should I do? This is the challenging task you have to perform yourself. If it is not done, I will provide you. Just pause my video and perform that query with annual 10% increment with annual salary. Here I have to see that 10% increment with, here you can see that 10% increment with salary, monthly salary, but I have to display 10% increment with annual salary. So just go through this, pause my video and perform query at your end. Select empno ename cell cell. I want to create bracket for cell plus again bracket cell into 0.10 and bracket and into 12 as annual cell with increment from EMP. This is the annual salary with increment of 10% of monthly income. Okay, so it's clear about all the, here I have to explain query. This is the 10% increment which is add in monthly salary and then multiply by 12 means annual salary. This is the new annual salary. Fine. Hope you enjoy this video and better understand with calculation, arithmetic operation. One more arithmetic operation I have to give, that select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. Now I want to calculate sale plus commission. So how I execute query, just go through with my example. Select empno ename cell commission cell plus commission as total sale from EMP. Okay, now here it is the total salary, but you can see that here no calculation, here also no calculation, and here also no calculation, and here also no calculation. Means employee has actual salary but no commission, means in commission column there is a null value. It means if any arithmetic operation performed with null value, it gives the output as a null. Fine, please understand this concept. If you want to perform any arithmetic operation with null value, that output also null value. So if I want to get actual output with null column also, I have to use one more function, NVL, null value allow. How it works and how it performs. I explain. Select empno, comma, ename, comma, cell, comma, commission, comma. Here a calculation is here, cell plus commission, means commission column has a null value, and null value always in calculation their output is also a null. So in that case I have to convert that null value into 0 or any other value which is useful in calculation. For example, in that case I have to use NVL function. So how I use? Cell plus a null value in this column, commission column. So I have to convert a null value into 0 using NVL function bracket. NVL function has a two parameter. First parameter is a column name which you want to check null value, means commission. If commission column has any null value, if instead of null value you have to replace that value at calculation time. Suppose here in commission, if any value is null, then it converts to the 0. Now cell plus 0 is equals to actual cell. So look at here, total cell from EMP. Now it's perfect. Means here if null value in calculation time, NVL function replace the null value with 0, means 800 plus 0 is equals to 800, and this is the actual salary or all FM employee. So if you want to perform arithmetic operation in select query and you want to perform that arithmetic operation with that column which has a null value, and even though you want to get perfect result, you just use NVL function for that null value to convert null value to 0 in calculation time, not actual time. It is not updated null value with 0 in column in actual data, but it is replace a null value with 0 at calculation time only. Just remember. So you get the perfect output, and whenever you have to perform any calculation on null value, you use NVL function to convert that null value column into 0 or 1 or anything else you want. Fine, this is the NVL function, and it is very important to calculation or arithmetic operation performance. Hope guys you enjoying this video and better understand of arithmetic operation with null value also and normal expression also. Thank you guys.